Hello viewers, welcome back to Santosha's kitchen. Today we are going to cook Aalu Dum Biryani. Now I heated the oil there and I'm going to fry these potatoes, alus, so that you will not have the raw flavor when you cook biryani. So we'll make sure that these potatoes are cooked well before we place them for dum. And I'm also would be adding few carrots, but I will tell you where we have to, at what stage we have to add them. So while we get those potatoes fried, I'm not going to deeply fry them, it's just till they cook properly. Now we are going to boil the rice. So I added 2 tablespoons of salt with enough cardamom powder there, ilachi powder, crushed ilachis, and 2 tablespoons of shajira. Add water with 1:2 ratio with your rice. And shajira don't add much. It's small tablespoons of 2, and I'm trying to light this. I have added little bit of oil and also the water and put it in the high flame. So let this water boil and just toss these potatoes which we were trying to cook them in the oil. And see, I have added few carrots there, 1 chopped big carrot along with these potatoes, so that these carrots would also cook almost 80%. So while we do that, I'm adding this lemon juice squeezed from 3 good lemon. Now let's look into this. Potatoes, I'm just tossing so that they don't get burnt at the bottom. And this water here, let this boil, and once this water get boiled, add this soaked basmati rice. And I soaked this basmati rice for almost half an hour. Now I'm adding this soaked basmati rice to this boiled water, and look at this, I extracted the oil. A little bit of oil is left, and I added this biryani masala paste, biryani masala powder along with garam masala. So 2 tablespoons of biryani powder, biryani masala powder, and 2 tablespoons of garam masala. And this is ginger garlic paste mixed with a little bit of spices. Along with that, we shall also add green chili paste. This gives even spiciness to the entire pieces of these potatoes, and the sweetness of the carrot will be balanced with this green chili paste. Now the main ingredient of dum biryani, the curd, so almost 5 tablespoons. So I'm just adding them. I'm trying to mix them well. You don't have to marinate much because we already boiled these potatoes and carrots. It's better to add a little bit more spice to this, so I'm adding this red chili powder and just trying to toss it, mix it well. Already we have little bit of oil, so I'm not adding much oil to this. And if you have noticed, I did not add the salt either, because the ginger garlic paste itself has salt. Now look at this rice, it's almost cooked 85%. Now take this boiled rice, keep it aside, drain the water and sprinkle it on this marinated potatoes and the dum masala of potato and carrot mixture with masalas. Today I did not add fried onions, and but still it tastes very good. You can also try that. Almost 90% boiled, and the rice is also 85 to 90% boiled. So along with the shajira and other spices, lemon, we cooked it So I drained all the water and sprinkling only the rice there, because the curd and the bottom masalas what we have evenly coated, the water will come out of it, and that vapor will help us to cook this remaining part of 10% of this rice along with the potatoes and carrots. So don't let much water to come along with this rice. So I drained almost all the water. Now I sprinkle a little bit of color of your choice. This is lemon yellow, so I believe it goes good with the texture when you eat veg biryani or Aalu Dum Biryani. Now added the topping, the ghee. As I said earlier, the flavor of the ghee goes top to the bottom, and the masala's flavor comes from the bottom to the top. So a little bit more rice left. I added it to the top, and I'm using this pressure cooker, and I am closing the lid, and I'll also keep the whistle so that this will not let the vapor come out of it. So we shall cook this for almost 20 minutes here. So after 20 minutes, then you can open the pressure cooker lid, and you see biryani is all ready. Now take it as if you are taking a piece of cake. The first, right? So look at the grains, they are not sticky, they don't stick to each other, and such a wonderful biryani, Aalu Dum Biryani is ready. So you can start serving and eat it when it is still hot. Okay, see you next time.